Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today, we're going to show you how to create mockups on Canva for Etsy. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now, let's get right into it. As an Etsy seller, creating compelling product image is essential to attract potential buyers and showcase your product in the best possible light. With Canva, a user-friendly graphic tool, you can easily create stunning mockups that will make your Etsy listing stand out from the crowd. Mockups are realistic representations of your product that help customers visualize how they would look like in the real life. They are practically useful for showcasing digital products, artworks, prints, stationeries, and any other items that benefit from a visual representation. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of creating mockups on Canva for your Etsy listing. Whether you're selling digital downloads, printable arts, or physical products, Canva offers a wide range of templates, elements, and customization options that will bring your mockups to life. So let's get started. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a design that we will make a mockup for. So we're going to create a canvas for now. We're going to create a design over here, and we're going to create a design with Instagram square for now. We're going to use this as a sample canvas, and we're going to wait for it to load, and this is the editing page of Canva. Now we're going to create a quick design for the meantime. For example, we're going to create a design for a logo or like a company. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go to elements over here and think of an item or a product that we would like to create our design of. For example, we're going to go with a coffee. We're going to go to our elements over here, coffee. We accidentally pressed the wrong button over here. And we're going to click on our graphics over here. Now under graphics, you will be able to see different elements or graphics that we could use for our design. So we're simply going to add some design to our canvas over here to make a logo for our design. So we're simply going to look for different elements we could use. For example, we're over this one, we could adjust the transparency of this one, make it more transparent, just like that. We could add more designs. For example, we could add like this, make me happy, make me coffee, stuff like that. We could add this as a background instead, and we could duplicate this, put it over here on the top right, and over here also on the bottom left. And then we could add a coffee design. We could also upload from our Canva. We could click on uploads over here, and you could upload your designs over here. For me, I'm going to use this one. We could use this one as one of our design, and we're going to edit this background remover, just like that. And we're going to wait for it to load, and just like that, we have a transparent element now. We could rearrange them for a bit, just like this, and make them all centered so that it's very balanced, just like that. And we're going to delete the duplicate, and we're going to make it balanced as well, just like that. And now we have a very simple design. We could actually put this in the back over here and put our design in front, just like that. A very simple logo design for our design over here. We could adjust the position, make it backward a bit so that I could adjust the size of this one, then fix the position again, just like that. And now we have a very simple design for our company. We could say that this is like a logo for our company. So what we're going to do now is we're going to download this as an image. Click on download, and just like that. Now for you, I would assume that you already have your design, so all you need to do is to upload them into your Canva by doing this, and you will be able to upload it in your Canva for easy access later on. And then we're going to add a new page over here. Now we're going to add the image of our design over here. This is our logo design. So after this, we're simply going to click on edit image, and you're going to click on smart mockups. If you don't see it over here, you're simply going to scroll down, and you're going to see this option over here that is labeled smart mockups. Click on see all, and you will be able to see all the different mockups available in Canva. You have a mobile smartphone mockup over here. We're scrolling down, we have for computers, laptops over here, desktops. You could use all of this option over here. You also have business cards over here, greeting cards, and we also have frames and posters over here. You could choose any of this option that we are seeing right now for your mockups. You also have mockups for books if you are trying to sell your book or like a digital book online or on Etsy. You could also have clothing over here if you're trying to sell a coffee design or a t-shirt design on Etsy. You can use clothing mockups over here. And scrolling down, we have more plain mockups over here in this section. You could have any of this t-shirt designs, hoodie, and sweatshirts. There's also mug mockups over here. For example, we could actually try one of this. We could try this one, and it will automatically put our design into the mockup over here. Other things, other mockups we have here are, I think that's the last one. The mugs is the last mockup we have. And as you can see, we have our design over here on our coffee mug, and we were able to use the coffee mug as a mockup, and we could apply it to other mockups as well. For example, this one, we could check this one out, and we have our very simple mockup over here. Now let's say we could settle with this one, and we're going to wait for it to load, and just like that. And I think it made a design mistake over here, so we're going to choose another one. We're going to go with this one. We're going to go back here so that we have a very simple and good design over here. Now this is our mockup number one. This is the mockup for mug. Now we could make another one. Click on add a page over here, upload our photo once again, click on edit image so that we can see more mockups, and click on smart mockups again. It will appear on your recently used now because we have just used it early on, and this time we're going to use it on another thing. For example, we're going to go with a card. We could go with this one over here. We could click this, and it will turn our design over here as a mockup for a business card or a greeting card, depending on how you would like your card to be. And as you can see, we have our card over here. Now making another one, we're going to upload our design over here. This time, let's see how it would look like as a t-shirt design. So we're going to make it a mockup of a t-shirt. So going down, scrolling down, look for the mockup of the t-shirts, and here it is. We're going to maybe use this person as our mockup model. So we're going to wait for it to load, going to wait for it to design, and as you can see, we have a mockup model of the t-shirt with our design over here. We have created a total of 3 different mockups over here, and you could use any of this option you are seeing right now. It is completely free, and you will be able to use the mockups even though you are using the free version of Canva. You could also change it to books over here if you would like, as you can see. And lastly, let's see how it would look like as a frame for our background over here. For example, a frame on the wall, we could also have that as a mock-up for our design. And as you can see, we have a very cute mock-up of our design over here. And now what you can simply do is, after creating your mock-up, you could download the specific page or download the specific image over here by simply clicking on share, download, and you could choose the pages over here. You could choose a specific page. For example, we're going to download page 2, so we're going to simply select page 2, click on download, and as you can see, it's downloading right now. We're simply going to wait for it so that we could check it out. And as you can see, I'm going to open this, and now this is our mockup for our design that we have just created. And now you can simply download or create multiple mockups for the same design, and you could upload it on your Etsy store in etsy.com over here. And you will be able to utilize the mockup feature of Canva to create amazing mockups for your designs. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.